Brother, let me ask you the hard question today. When was the last time your wife felt truly pursued by you? Not tolerated, not coexisting in the same house, but chosen, desired, seen as a woman you couldn't wait to be with. Brother, if you battled porn, chances are that connection has been broken. Porn has a way of robbing you of intimacy, of pulling you out of your marriage and into fantasy. And the result? Your wife doesn't feel like your standard of beauty. She doesn't feel cherished. She doesn't feel loved. In today's episode, this isn't about shaming you. It's about rebuilding. It's about learning how to love your wife again after your porn addiction. No longer just tolerating each other, but creating a marriage that's marked by trust, intimacy, and passion. Guys, welcome to the Rebuild Man podcast, where it's been our mission for the last 6 years to help men just like you caught up in the depths of addiction break the chains of porn in their lives, rebuild and recreate their identity, rewire their brains, reshape their hearts. And today we're specifically talking about rebuilding trust, love, and intimacy in a relationship. If you're new to the podcast, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're watching this on YouTube, turn those post notifications on. But here's the truth. Quitting porn is just going to be the first step. It's going to clear the fog out for you. If you don't rebuild that intimacy with your wife, though, you're still living half of a life. In this episode, I'm going to provide 3 things for you. First thing, we're going to call out the real problem that porn creates in marriages. Number 2 is we're going to debunk all the lies that men believe about porn and sex. And then we're going to give you practical steps that you can take right now to rebuild love, trust, and intimacy with your wife. So let's start by talking about that real problem. What is it? Well, your wife feels unseen. She feels compared, not enough. Porn has created disconnection between the two of you. You've used porn as a way to escape in times where you needed to engage. And over time, this has eroded her emotional trust with you. She may not know how to articulate or tell you this, but she doesn't feel pursued. She doesn't feel cherished. She no longer has felt chosen in your life. And porn hasn't just become a bad habit for you. It's literally rewired your brain in how you see her. Every image, every video, every click has shaped a comparison with the woman on the screen and the woman that you should care about most. And there's many myths that guys believe about pornography. That it makes you better in bed, and in reality, it numbs you to real intimacy, makes you less present, and oftentimes can lead to performance anxiety or erectile dysfunction struggles. Guys also believe that porn is just a harmless outlet for a sexless marriage. Well, it's never the solution. And oftentimes it's an accelerant to the problem. It deepens that divide. And if you had porn in your life prior to the marriage, the sexless marriage didn't lead to your porn struggles. Probably your porn struggles is what produced the sexless marriage, because it's made you disconnected. And for the guys that are looking to change a myth that they believe, and oftentimes women struggle with this one as well, is I need to be the one that holds him accountable. Brother, it's not her burden to carry for you. She needs to feel safe around you, not responsible for your recovery. And I can tell you, after working with thousands of men over the last 6 years, when a woman is put in that position in her life, she begins to look at her husband as a second child, third child, a boy that she is taking care of versus a man that should be taking care of her. So you may be wondering, what are the steps here, Frank? How do I rebuild this love, trust, and intimacy with my wife? Number 1 is you got to pursue her like you did when you were dating. So many men get to the point of marriage and then they stop dating their wives. Plan dates, surprise her, show effort. Don't just exist in this life together. Pursue her in the same way that you did when you were trying to court her. Number 2 here, remind her that she is the standard of beauty in your life. I've shared a story of my great friend, Tony DiLorenzo. and how when he talks about his wife, her name is always preceded with the word Alicia, with the word beautiful. Tony will say, Frank, I want you to meet my beautiful wife, Elisa. Let me tell you a story about me and my beautiful wife. She's the standard. She hears it. He's reminded of it. Step 3 here, Tony and Elisa wrote a great book, The 6 Pillars of Intimacy. We've had Tony on the Superman Life podcast. He's done some work for us inside of our community. Connect with her emotionally, spiritually, financially, physically, recreationally, and also sexually. Your marriage will begin to thrive when all 6 of these are nurtured and you stop just focusing on the sex. Number 4 here, we already talked about it. Take full responsibility for your freedom. You must go through this recovery and transformation on your own so that she can feel safe. She may need to do some inner work and healing herself, but she is not the person responsible for taking care of your freedom. The 5th thing here is create daily connection rituals, conversations over morning coffee, evening checks in, pray together, eat together, learn together, grow together. Small, consistent daily habits will build trust much faster than the big promises. Step 6 here, rebuild physical intimacy with patience, though. Start with small acts of affection, hand-holding, hugs, light touches. Re-earn this trust with her so she can feel safe and opening up again. Number 7 here, lead with service and sacrifice. Love is action. Ask yourself today, what can I do to make her feel cherished? Put her needs above your convenience. The effects of doing all this, though, is she will feel chosen. Once again, trust will be built slowly but powerfully. Intimacy will be restored, not just sexually, but emotionally, recreationally, spiritually, financially, physically. Your marriage will become a place of safety, passion, and partnership. And you'll step into being not just porn-free, but you'll be the man, the husband, and the leader that God has called you to be, and the leader and husband that she needs you to be. Brother, hear me on this. Porn hasn't just robbed you. It's robbed your marriage. But when you get free and you learn how to truly love your wife again, you don't just quit an addiction. You rewrite this love story that you're on together. Now, if this hit you and you're ready to take that first step, I want to invite you into our free 7-day reset in our brotherhood community. We'll help you in just 1 week lay the foundation for starting to break free from porn, but more importantly, walk alongside you with a group of men that are fighting this out together, that are navigating the same conversations, that are on the same story that you're on. If you visit therebuiltman.com/7-day reset, you can access this for free today. But don't wait until it all ends. There still is hope for both of you, but you got to take action. Click the link down there below, therebuiltman.com/7-day reset. Join us today and rebuild that intimacy that you both deserve. Guys, thank you. Make sure to subscribe, rate, review. We look forward to seeing you on the inside of the community.